Hey guys, my name's Sober Chef Eric. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you're one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you're new, hey, glad to have you here. I'm going to show you some cooking techniques and super simple recipes with my Keep It Simple Stupid recipe, KISS for short. Um, Today, since it is the week of the 4th of July, I know a lot of people are probably going to be going to families or some type of get together. So this dish is going to be a cucumber, onion, and mint salad. Super easy, 4 ingredients, can't mess it up. And the nice thing, you can make it a day ahead of time and it's going to be good to go. It's going to be super simple. You're going to love it. This will probably be one of my shorter cooking tutorials because I'm not cooking. So hang out after the intro. We'll be right back and we'll start cutting up some food. All right, guys, we are back. Like I said, super simple recipe for this nice little cucumber onion salad with some fresh mint. We're going to start off with 2 cucumbers. Now what I've done, these are just regular cucumbers, but the peel is pretty bitter. So you can either use a vegetable peeler and take them off like that, or you can use English cucumbers, which don't have such a thick rind, not so bitter. Got 1 medium white onion. Oh, there we go. We got 1 package of fresh Julienned mint, organic. And then this is the rice wine vinegar I'm using today. And we are going to be using 1 cup of that. I love my little OXO stuff. Got all the little measurements right in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. And one of my favorite kitchen tools, also a very dangerous one, mandolin. And it's a Mueller. Got it off Amazon. Don't remember exactly how much it was, but you know, it didn't break the bank, that's for sure. Now, one thing you got to be careful with when you're using a mandolin, if you don't give it respect, it'll earn your respect. So, let me show you about how thick I've got it. See? And if you can see, that is right about 1/4 of an inch. Maybe a little bit shorter. And on this one, you adjust the height here. And with this one, I'll show you this on the onion, you can bring up some cutting blades to where you can dice or, you know, whatever. You can do a fine dice, coarse dice, and I'll show you that in a second. But normally I do all my prep ahead of time, but this time I wanted to show you how simple and easy this recipe is. Look at that action. Woo, almost got myself. Started looking at the camera, not paying attention. Alright, this little piece I'm going to save for myself and have a little snack on that in a minute. Now you don't want to grab it by the bottom because these blades are very sharp. So, you know, if you're doing something like a potato or something like that, and I'll show you on the onion, it does come with a nice little, and you can just put it right on the tracks, and then, you know, see, no cutty the fingy. So I'll show you about how many. That's 2 cucumbers. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how we do the onions. So remember this little doohickey right here? Whop. See? That's the thicker. So what it'll do is it'll slice it like this, and then it'll slice it like this, And talk about an easy way to do an onion. Let me show you. That's kind of short, so better safe than sorry. See that? Perfect for this salad. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Does take force, and you know, my arm just got operated on, so it's still, you know, I just started doing isometric exercises on it, so not quite the strength built up yet with the bicep. It's looking a lot better though. Here, let me. Oh, I can't really turn it that way. All right. One more slice, and that's going to be it for the onion. See, so one small onion, 2 cucumbers, and then 1 package of fresh mint. Now, if you want this to say nice and green, you can just put it in right before you serve it. It is going to discolor a little bit. And then we're just going to put that in there. Now, if you want, you could add some salt and pepper, but I like it just nice and fresh like this as it is on its own. Forgot my spatula to give it a nice little stir. And I like to make this the night before, you know, and every couple hours maybe give it a little stir. Either that, or you could use like the whole bottle, and then all you got to do is strain some of it off, or use a strainer spoon to serve with. And you know, the cucumber is going to stay nice and crunchy. The onions are going to have a nice little bite. And then that fresh mint will come in with some amazing herbaceousness. All right, guys. Well, I told you, super simple and easy. And now we'll go and take a bite. All right, guys. Like I said, nice, quick, and easy. And just so you know about how much it makes, nice little Tupperware size. You can see the juice in there. Nice thing about this, all you gotta do, like say every time you get in there to get a cold cup of water or something like that, just give it a shake, shake your salad. Shake your salad. Okay, enough of that. Now for the good stuff. Oh, don't want to spill. So simple, but yet so delicious. Got a little mini foodgasm there. But like I say, guys, it's 4th of July. God bless America. Hopefully everybody's safe. And make sure you stay safe. And remember, you know, we're all in this together. You know, we'll survive this coronavirus. You know, take care of your loved ones. And remember, life's too short to eat bad food. Later.